I've always made my journals out of everything. This is a JCPenney advertisement that I just gessoed. I haven't started working in it, and I decoupaged napkins, put fun fur. This and I don't even remember where I had these. This was years ago, but it's time for me to start working in it. Well, anyway, this is a class schedule, a college class schedule. I took a class at a community college years ago, and I was shocked that they still had class schedules for their students. So I grabbed a few and I put cardboard over it and just made my own. I glued together the pages to make them sturdier and made it my own place to play. You know, so, because you get afraid, I don't want to mess up a good journal. I don't want to do this. So, or I don't want to spend the money because I really don't know what I'm doing. So, that's why I got this. Look, remember when you got all your friends' updates face to face? That's all this is. And that's where I smashed the Building Hope. And I'll probably put something else here. And, you know, if this comes apart, this could be used in another art piece or something like that. I just don't care because I'm just playing. I'm just playing. You gesso and keep it moving. And that's this one, but I like to fill this one up. That's the back. This is a telephone book, an old telephone book. So if you come across an old telephone book, and all I do is put old, wipe off my paint, and then I just drew. It's a lot of mess in here, so I'm not going to show you all that. But this is a telephone book, and I had this there, but it fell off. I need to put that back. And that's all that is. It's my telephone book. It's fun to play in that. Oh, I wish I could find this fur. Got this years ago. Pray. This is, oh, I don't want to show you everything in here. This is, again, the class schedule book. Let's see if there's something I want to show. I was testing layouts real quick, and this one isn't so bad. To be happy. I was just, yeah. That's the back of that. This one is my beginner test journal. Is all messed up. Okay. I was testing layouts. Test your drill. I can show you that. This is JCPenney. You know. This stuff is a mess. Look. I was testing things out. But what kills me is I even wrote on the side to say what I was doing. In case anybody saw it. Look, this page was just me doodling one night and testing out new colors I just bought. The flower is fingernail polish. This one, and the dimensional flower comes from one I tested out spray paint on. Oh, okay. I guess I had to explain. You know when people being nosy, they're like, well, what's this? What was she doing? Well, y'all, I'm not the artist. My brother is. You know, just get out there and make your own book. If you want to play and dabble and you don't want to spend a lot of money, just take what you have and make it work. Because like I said, if this falls apart, all I have to do is just rip it apart and put it in another piece, you know. But I hope it stays together. But that's not my concern. My concern is to just get out. I just want to paint, or I just want to use stuff and I don't know how to use it, but that's okay. You know, you don't feel bad because this is stuff that would normally be recycled and put in recycling, but you're reclaiming it and using it, and not, you know, you don't have to feel bad, you know, or scared that I don't really know what I'm doing. So that's all this. I'm rambling. It's time to go. Alrighty, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye.